I was in the market for an over-under shotgun, and I came across this brand called Pointer, made in Turkey. I purchased the firearm through Whitaker Guns in Kentucky. After about a week's time, it came to my local dealer, which I was able to go pick it up. As you can see, I'm unboxing it here. It comes with a manual and a box with extra chokes. As you can see, it can take a 2 3/4 or 3-inch shell. They are brought in through Legacy Sports in Nevada. A very fine looking gun in my opinion. I ordered mine in 20 gauge since I plan to do mostly rabbit hunting with mine. Comes with a red fiber optic sight, single trigger, has some grip molded into the forearm and stock, ventilated rib and midrib, comes with a nice smooth recoil pad, and a barrel selector integrated with the safety. Left for the upper barrel, right for the under barrel. It has some nice work done on the metal on the lever, some checkering on the vent rib, has some nice jeweling on the monoblock with an extractor. This gun has extractors, not ejectors. Now on to the chokes. This gun comes with 5 chokes: a cylinder, an improved cylinder, an improved modified, a modified, and a full. You can tell each choke apart by the number of slits cut into the end. 5 slits for the cylinder, working its way to the full, which has 1 slit.